Hello, hello. Lisa just made this mac and cheese. It's called Twist My Parm, and the brand is Goodles. I think it's Goodles. It's either Goodles or it's Goodless. I think it's Goodles. But let's see. It's got 14 grams of protein, 7 grams of fiber, and 2 servings per box, and 260 calories per serving. 4 grams of sugar per serving. So
it's really good.
It smells very Parmesan-y. Will you hold the box here in the shot for me while I two-hand this bowl? It does have a very strong Parmesan smell. The shape of the noodles, the spiral, will hold a lot of sauce.
Yeah, they're nice. The spirals are really
And they're tiny little spirals. They're really little. Yeah. It's exactly what you would expect from a parm sauce. Asiago and Parmesan. So it's Asiago and Parmesan cheese. Yeah, I mean it's cheesy. Noodles are soft and cooked well.
It is double the price of other box ones that are similar to this one. It's, I think, $3.
It's fancy.
But it's really tasty. I like it.
I'm glad you like it. What would you give it out of 5 stars?
4.
You give it a 4 out of 5? I'd probably do, for what it is, I'd probably give it a 3 out of 5, I guess. But I'm just not a big mac and cheese person in general, so it's not my go-to flavor. I'll look and see if I can find a link to this. If I can, I'll put it below. If I cannot, well, I'll see if I can find something similar.
Yeah,
but I should be able to find this online somewhere.
At least the store where we bought it. Minimum.
Noodles, Goodles. Twist my parm. Twist my parm. Is that like kiss my grits?
And if the shelf tells you anything, they had 3 different kinds, and this one I had to reach the back of the end of the shelf because it was sold out so far back. So
clearly a popular,
must be the popular one.
Yeah. But yeah. Let me know in the comment section if you haven't tried this before. Sorry for the bronchitis chihuahua. If you haven't tried this before, my goodness, seriously? Let me know if you like macaroni and cheese in general. Yeah, and if you have a specific brand that you prefer, let me know. I'm not typically a big mac and cheese person, but I'm glad my wife likes it, so that makes me happy. Thank you so much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.